Hi, welcome aboard. It's Justin Costello, Marinemax, Pompano Beach. I want to show you this boat that just recently got traded in. It's a 2017 Sea Ray 270 Sun Deck Outboard. Let's start taking a nice profile view of this boat. Look at this beautiful Sea Ray blue with the white bottom. Nice character lines on this boat. And as we step aboard, the boat has a 300 horsepower Verado in white. Look at this large sun pad. Great place to hang out. Walking through, you can see the opposing seating on the port and starboard. Plenty of space for your family and friends. And on the port side, this boat has the upgraded vacuum flush head. Anchor windlass at the bow with a fiberglass cover with non-skid decking. Notice the oversized bimini top on this boat. Taking a look at the throttle here, it's all fly-by-wire digital controls. Nice, easy to read dash panel right here. Toggle switches, Rockford Fosgate audio system. Look at all the space that we have to walk through here. Seats with storage underneath all of them. There's a little place for a table there, and plenty of storage under this seat. Opposing seating on the starboard side. And what I really love is they give us a little touch with the boarding step in the back. 954-633-2070, Marinemax, Pompano Beach.